Today we're going to talk about how I sit at my desk. You know, I hear that it's bad to sit at your desk. It's this new smoking. We all have to have standing desks. It's fine. Standing desks are good. There's a lot of good to that, sort of. So today we're going to see what do I do to make this whole thing work and how I'm not becoming disabled because I'm sitting. We don't have to do that. Let's find out all the ways in which you can enjoy your desk. I'm Lisa McCall, and posture is my thing, and my new posture thing today is desk sitting, or something that looks like a desk or maybe doesn't look like a desk. So let's just wipe out of our mind that we have to have a desk. We don't have to. We can stand, we can sit, we can have desks, have chairs. And so let's just reinvent this whole thing. We all tend to have a computer. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you, this is one of my favorite spots. Okay, I sit on a tripod chair and I am centered. Then I have my other chair, my desk chair, and then I prop my laptop on this little nice convenient thing I got. But really, actually, you can use whatever you want. I used to use books. So don't make this complicated like you have to get a ton of equipment. You may have to get some, but I want it to be very doable. I want you to get creative. You want to work your desk world around you, not you around it. That's the biggest hang up I've seen. If your computer's stuck in the wall, stuck on a table, that's where I'd start to get creative and invest on something where you can be more mobile. So you have the choice that your body dictates this, okay? So here I am, tripod chair, sitting, enjoying my keyboard. If you're gonna be on the keyboard a lot, raise it up maybe a little more. I'm not on the keyboard as much, but I want you to think that your fingers always drop down below your wrist. That's kind of what a concert pianist does. Mine's a little up. If I was going to be here longer, I have a thing that can elevate it. I can make it go a little higher. I can stick a book under there. Don't make it complicated. But let's drop the elbows, keep the neck long. Remember, you're going to press up. Hey, here's a little idea. So, here I go, pressing up. Isn't this good office talk, having one of these? So here I am. Now you could be standing. You could make this go up and stand for a while. Then you could sit back down. So what I think the key really is changing things, being in something and then moving into a standing or another kind of sitting. But your body's actually shifting and changing all day long. So why not let it shift and change in a way that really benefits you? Okay, so here's one of them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, change my mind. I want to go to the desk. All right, so I'm going to move that, and then I'm going to pull this saddle chair up. I'm going to keep my platypus on just for fun. Okay, so here I am. I got my saddle chair now. Now, I do kind of like the saddle chair. It's another one of these that I enjoy sitting in for a while, then I get out of it. So I'll sit in the saddle chair. It's the same as the tripod chair. It centers me, so I have less work to do to remember how to get centered. Usually, at this point, everything from here down is pretty easy to not think about, but up here, you could be tending to go over. So again, you're pressing up into something. Here you are. Okay, if you've got too much wrist bending, then, have at it, put something underneath it, go up more, find out what feels good to you. May change, okay? Then put that back down. All right, so then let's say, well, I've been here a while and I want to lean back in my chair. I don't want to sit up for a while. I want to lean back. Cool, rock on. Okay, so getting up is good. If you think me shifting all this around is too much time, then you have got to change the way you look at sitting at your desk. If you're so tied that you can't give 15 to 20 seconds to change, then you can't give 15 to 20 seconds to go to the bathroom. I mean, really. This is where you've got to make a commitment that you're going to get up and stop, okay? So then I bring this chair over. And I got this little thing going on. Now, I got this pillow that I've had forever. And I could put it in the back of this chair. So I sit, tush up, squat down. I could put this here, you know, pick my ribs up, hook them, because I may not want to lean back as far. And this chair, I have to bring it up. It's old. It's old. I have to bring it up a little higher. Okay. So it's an old chair. This isn't new. And here I am. So I'm looking upright, but I'm leaning back. Okay? So you can lean back and be upright. Leaning back doesn't mean you're not upright. It just depends on how much you're leaning back. Or I can like get rid of it. Pick up my back, and here I am again. Okay? So lots of options. Okay, then if I had a standing desk, if I had one of these things where you could go higher, then I could go up, and then that's a whole nother sort of story of how to sit at the desk is standing, which I'll do another video on one day. But right now, I just kind of want to do the sitting world, all right? The squatting, leaning back, forward. Now, I have other videos that really go into the details of sitting on my website. And I'm going to encourage you, if you really want to know the little stuff, purchase my video on sitting so that you can see a lot of the small stuff and how to put it all together so that your body has more awareness and sensitivity. It's very easy for me to shift because I've been doing this for a long time. So it's a language you have to learn. And once you learn that language again that your body already knows, you just get like, wow, this is really comfortable. And I feel better after sitting today. I don't feel worse. I mean, my posture's better because you were there. You showed up. You showed up for your body. Yeah, baby. See you later.